but slow and painful. However, with the right tools like an axe, it can be done faster, easier, and without pain. Similarly, with TubeBuddy, your painful journey becomes a lot more simpler. Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam, and today we will unlock the secrets of TubeBuddy's powerful features to maximize your YouTube success. Now, before getting to the video, if at any point you would like to try it out, you want to sign up, then you can do so from the description below. From keyword research to tag suggestions, thumbnail optimization to analytics insights, I will guide you step by step on how to harness TubeBuddy's potential and grow your channel statistically like never before. So let's get started. Starting with the features, first up we have keyword research. With TubeBuddy, you can easily find the most relevant and high-performing keywords for your video content. It provides valuable insights into search volume, competition, trends, and helping you create content that resonates with your audience. Now let's talk about productivity. TubeBuddy streamlines your workflow by enabling bulk processing options. You can update thumbnails, descriptions, cards across multiple videos with just a few clicks, saving your valuable time and effort. It also allows you to schedule uploads and making it convenient to manage your content calendar. Its automated transcription feature generates accurate subtitles for your video, enhancing accessibility and improving SEO. Say goodbye to the tedious task of transcribing and focus on creating captivating content. Now let's explore the analytics features. TubeBuddy provides in-depth analytics for your channel, including real-time data on views, engagement, and audience demographics. You can track your channel's performance, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions to optimize your content strategy. TubeBuddy offers several advantages that make it a must-have tool for YouTube creators. Firstly, its user-friendly interface makes it easy to navigate and understand. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced creator, you will find TubeBuddy intuitive and straightforward. Secondly, TubeBuddy's extensive feature set covers almost every aspect of YouTube channel management. From keyword research to video optimization, no more switching between multiple tools or services. While TubeBuddy has numerous benefits, it's important to look at drawbacks as well. One potential drawback is that some advanced features are only available in the higher tier pricing plan. If you are on a tight budget, you may need to evaluate which features are essential for you. Another thing is that TubeBuddy, being a browser extension, might affect the performance of your browser, particularly if you have multiple extensions installed. However, this depends on your computer specification and number of extensions you are running. Let's talk about pricing. TubeBuddy offers different plans. The free plan provides access to basic features, making it a good starting point for new creators. If you are looking for advanced functionalities, the Pro plan offers an affordable option with additional features and priority support. For creators seeking the ultimate TubeBuddy experience, there are higher tier plans like the Star and Legend plans. These plans unlock advanced features including bulk processing options, keyword explorer, and more. While they come at a higher price point, they offer comprehensive tools for professional creators. So to sum it up, TubeBuddy is a game changer for YouTube creators in my opinion. With its extensive features, user-friendly interface, and good customer support, it's an indispensable tool for optimizing your channel and maximizing your audience reach. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced creator, TubeBuddy provides the necessary tools to boost your success on YouTube. So if you would like to try it out, you can give it a shot from the description below. But that's it from my side. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you still have any query about the TubeBuddy, do leave them down below in the comments. Now there is another tool for YouTube creators called vidIQ, which is its competitor. So if you want to know more about it, you can watch this video right here, or you can watch my recent video from here. That's it for today. Like, share, subscribe. Stay safe. Bye-bye.